Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to undo or delete don't recommend channel feedback on YouTube. So if you're on YouTube and let's say at some point you go ahead and click the three dots here and choose don't recommend this channel and you stop seeing this channel on YouTube, you can easily go ahead and delete these, or let's say you can easily go ahead and undo these changes whenever you're ready. And let me show you how. So once you're on YouTube, guys, all you have to do is just simply click your account on the upper right hand side here and go to your Google account. Now, this will take you over to your Google account, and on the left hand side, you want to go to data and privacy. Now, scroll on a bit and you will see my activities under the history settings. So click in my activity, then on the left hand side, go to other activities, and you want to scroll down and look for user feedback previously not interested. So as you can see right here, this is the YouTube user feedback previously not interested. Click and view user feedback, and this is going to open up a new tab here where you will see all of those channels that has that don't recommended channel here. And to basically undo this or delete it, just simple click the X beside those channel, and that's going to quickly remove it from there for you. And that's all there is to it, guys. Very easy and very simple.